Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about jobs and workplaces in English.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, how are you today?
I am very good, Daniel. How are you?
I am doing great. Thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Today we will talk about jobs and workplaces.
Yes, this is a very useful topic.
Many people talk about work every day.
That is true.
Emma, do you work?
Yes, I do.
What do you do?
I work in an office.
Oh, really?
Yes,
What is your job?
I am an office assistant.
That sounds interesting.
Thank you.
What do you do every day at work?
I answer emails, talk to customers, and organize files.
Wow, you are very busy.
Yes, sometimes I am very busy.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like it?
Because my coworkers are friendly.
That is important.
Yes, a good workplace is very important.
I agree.
What about you, Daniel?
I work at a restaurant.
Really?
Yes, I am a waiter.
That sounds fun.
Sometimes it is fun, but sometimes it is difficult.
Why is it difficult?
Because the restaurant is very busy at night.
Oh, I understand.
I walk a lot during work.
Do you enjoy talking to customers?
Yes, I do.
That is great.
I like meeting new people.
That is a good thing.
Emma, what time do you start work?
I start work at 8:30 in the morning.
And what time do you finish?
I finish at 5 in the evening.
That is a normal office schedule.
Yes, it is.
I start work at 4 in the afternoon.
Oh, really?
Yes, because the restaurant opens later,
What time do you finish work?
around 11 at night.
Wow, that is late.
Yes, sometimes I feel tired.
I understand.
Do you drink coffee at work?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Me too.
Coffee helps many workers.
That is true. Daniel, do you wear a uniform at work? Yes, I do.
What does it look like?
I wear a black shirt and black pants.
Very nice.
Do you wear a uniform?
No, I do not.
What do you wear?
I wear office clothes.
Like what?
Usually a shirt and a skirt or pants.
That sounds professional.
Thank you.
Do you work with many people?
Yes, I work with 10 people.
Are they friendly?
Yes, they are very kind.
That is good.
What about your coworkers?
They are funny and friendly.
That makes work better.
Yes, it does.
Do you have a manager?
Yes, I do.
Is your manager nice?
Yes, he is very helpful.
That is wonderful.
What about your boss?
My boss is very organized.
That is a useful word.
Yes, organized means things are clean and planned well.
Great explanation.
Thank you.
Let's teach more workplace vocabulary.
Great idea.
What is a coworker?
A coworker is a person you work with.
Example sentence?
My coworkers are very friendly.
Very good.
What is a manager?
A manager is the person who controls the team or workplace.
Nice explanation.
Thank you.
Another useful word is salary.
Yes, salary means the money you get from your job.
Example sentence. I get my salary every month.
Very good.
Another word is meeting.
A meeting is when people talk together about work.
Example sentence. I have a meeting at 10 a.m.
Excellent.
Daniel, do you have meetings at work?
Not many,
Why not?
because restaurants are different from offices.
That makes sense.
We usually talk quickly before work starts.
Oh, I see.
Emma, do you use a computer at work?
Yes, every day.
What do you do on the computer?
I write emails and make schedules.
That sounds important.
Yes, computers are very important in offices.
That is true.
Do you use a computer at the restaurant?
Yes, sometimes.
For what?
To check orders and payments.
Interesting.
Emma, do you like working in an office?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because it is quiet and comfortable.
That sounds nice. Do you like working in a restaurant?
Yes, it is active and exciting.
Oh, really? Yes, every day is different.
That sounds fun.
Sometimes I talk to tourists from different countries.
Wow, that is interesting.
Yes, I enjoy it.
What languages do they speak?
Many people speak English.
That is good practice for you.
Exactly.
Listeners, what about you?
What is your job?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to read your comments.
Yes, absolutely.
Emma, what do you usually say when you meet a new coworker?
I say, nice to meet you.
Good sentence.
I also say, what do you do here?
Very natural English.
Thank you.
Another useful question is, where do you work?
Yes, many people ask this question.
Example answer, I work at a bank.
Or, I work in a school.
Great examples.
Daniel, let's talk about grammar a little bit.
Great idea.
We often use the simple present tense to talk about jobs.
Yes, for example, I work in an office.
Another example, she works at a hospital.
Very good.
Remember this, with he, she, and it, we add s to the verb.
Like works instead of work.
Exactly.
That is an important grammar rule.
Yes, it is.
Let's practice.
Okay.
I work in a restaurant.
He works in a restaurant.
Perfect.
They work in an office.
She works in an office.
Great job.
Emma, let's teach some regular and irregular verbs.
Good idea.
A regular verb is work.
In the past tense, it becomes worked.
Very easy.
An irregular verb is go.
In the past tense, it becomes went.
Example sentence. Yesterday, I went to work early.
Nice example.
Thank you.
Do you arrive early at work?
Yes, I do.
Why?
I like to prepare before work starts.
That's smart.
What about you?
I usually arrive 15 minutes early.
Very responsible.
Thank you.
Daniel, do you eat lunch at work?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat?
Rice, chicken, or sandwiches.
Sounds delicious.
What about you?
I usually bring food from home.
That is healthy.
Yes, and it saves money.
Good idea.
Do you talk with coworkers during lunch?
Yes, all the time.
What do you talk about?
Work, movies, sports, and life.
That sounds nice.
Lunchtime is relaxing.
I agree.
Emma, do you ever feel stressed at work?
Sometimes yes.
What do you do when you feel stressed?
I take a short break and drink water.
Good idea.
What about you?
I take deep breaths and stay calm.
That is helpful.
Work can be difficult sometimes.
Yes, but we can learn and improve.
Exactly.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, it really helps the channel.
Thank you so much for your support.
Emma, what is your dream job?
I want to become a teacher one day.
Really?
Yes, I love helping people learn.
That is wonderful.
What about you?
I want to open my own restaurant.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Thank you.
What kind of restaurant?
A small family restaurant with delicious food.
I would love to visit it.
You are always welcome.
Thank you.
Emma, do you think English is important at work?
Yes, very important.
Why?
Because many companies use English.
That is true.
English can help people get better jobs.
I agree.
That is why practice is important.
Yes, practice every day.
Even small practice helps.
Listening is also important.
Yes, podcasts are very useful.
You can learn vocabulary and pronunciation.
Exactly.
Emma, let's teach one pronunciation tip.
Great idea.
The word work sounds like work.
Yes, repeat after us. Work.
Work.
Very good.
Another word is office.
Office.
Great practice.
Daniel, what advice do you have for English learners?
Do not be afraid to speak.
Very good advice.
Mistakes are normal.
Yes, everyone makes mistakes.
Practice slowly and clearly.
And listen to English every day.
That helps a lot.
What about you, listeners?
What do you do at work or school?
Please tell us in the comments.
We enjoy reading your messages.
Yes, we do.
Emma, today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
We talked about jobs and workplaces.
And we learned many useful English words.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
We hope this conversation helped you practice English.
Keep studying and keep practicing.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.